I'm doing another French polishing step on this Duncan Fife drop leaf. I've already done this step on the leaves. Now I want to do the French polishing on the center section here. Show you how I do that. I'm working with some Kuzmi seed lac here, and I just fill that up a little bit with some of the shellac. And the first step here is to do some figure eights all around the perimeter. They're not exactly figure eights, but it's important to work the outer edges a little bit more. Otherwise, there won't be enough shellac on the edges. Now, I'm running out of fuel here. The shellac kind of got dried up a little bit, so I'm going to feed it a little bit more. And come around here, work this edge. The grain is pretty much filled up with shellac, so this will probably be the last of this process here. I will probably do another coating with some blonde de-waxed shellac, as that's a little bit harder material. So that's the first step of the French polish. Second step is some short figure eights. You can see it dries fairly quickly, and then I just need to go again with another pass next to that. I'm overlapping, and I'm pushing pretty hard because I'm trying to squeeze out the shellac as it's getting dry. I'm going to have to put some more shellac in here. Here's the bottle. I did not use any filler for the green. I'm just wanting the shellac to fill the grain here. It would be easier if I did do some filler, because otherwise I have to do more shellac. But anyway, I like that better. So now I'm on the third step, which is long figure eights. And I test the wetness of the fad on the palm of my hand. Long figure eights all the way across. Or sometimes I'll just go halfway and then, but I can make it all the way here. There's a lot of friction. I'm having to work hard here to push that. It wants to just stop, but you can't just stop on here or the rag will stick. And when you pull it off, you'll pull some of the shellac off. So you gotta keep going. And that's good when it takes a lot of force. That's stretching that wax or shellac. All right, now the last step here. Are just straight across, overlapping, straight across. And sometimes I just call it like the airplane stop and goes or whatever. Just overlap straight. Touch and goes. That's kind of like I think I'm going to make it with, I got enough shellac here, I think, in the fad to make it all the way. Now that's done. Well, I'm going to put more on, but that step is done. Now I can go back. These are dry enough that I can go through all those steps again on the leaves. So this process, you can just keep going. The weather is not that good out there. Could be warmer and sunnier. That would help. But it seems to be drying okay.